but I really do like the whānau say and the pipi says, and I find the different ages relatable with my whānau, that they kind of realise that they're not in this alone, that lots of parents, lots of families are struggling with these things or seeing these things at different ages. And so, yeah, I find that they kind of like the resource, and it's not just all coming from me, that I have something to show them. I've had a family that quite liked the wee pictures in it, and she was kind of like, I can colour these in, which was pretty cool. I like that we've got magnets that sometimes go along with some of it, so then they can put that resource on their fridge. They really appreciate them, that they can have them, look at them later. Sometimes for whānau members that aren't there at the meeting, sometimes a lot of dads are working, and so they can have that there for when they get home, that they're able to maybe have a skim through, have a look through it. I find sometimes sharing my own journey and my own self with whānau can help them be relatable to me. You know, some days are hard and some days are easy, some things are fun and sometimes it's difficult. And I think sometimes these books can really go alongside that as well.